Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use features grid trading pods on Bitget. First, go to the Bitget website and make sure you log it in. Then, click on pods from the top menu. Next, click on Futures Grid. Once you're on the page, take a look at the chart area. Now, click on the plus icon on the left side tool panel. You'll see various tools appear, including the crosshair, trend line, horizontal line, vertical line, parallel channel, brush tools, rectangle, circle, text, arrow, erase, lock icon, and the eye icon to toggle visibility. Try out each tool one by one. You can mark price levels, draw trends, or highlight zones using rectangles and arrows. Use the eraser tool to remove your drawings whenever needed. You can also use the eye icon to show or hide all drawings and the lock icon to keep your chart tools in place. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.